Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 9. I hope you all must have completed question number 6 and 8, which I had given as homework. Now let us see question number 9. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So diameter is given and height is given. You have to simply find out the curved surface area, which you can find by using the formula 2 pi RH. Okay. Now let us see question number 2. How much steel was actually used? If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So as you know, in the question it is given R is equal to 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1 meter, and height is 4.5 meter. Second question asked is how much steel was actually used. So if 1/12 of the steel actually was used was wasted in making the tank. So let us first find the total surface area of the tank, which is given by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. So you just put the values in the given formula. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 by 2.1 whole bracket 2.1 plus 4.5. When you solve it, you will get the value as 87.12 meter square. Now, let us assume that the actual area of the steel used was x meter square. Now, according to the question, area of steel wasted was 1/12 of the total area of the steel used, means x by 12 meter square. So, what was the actual area of steel used? That was x minus 1 by 12x, that is equal to 11 by 12x meter square. So area of steel actually used was after wastage when it is gone, actual area of steel used is 11 by 12x meter square. And now what is the total surface area of the tank? That is 87.12 meter square. So we will equate 1 and 2. When we equate 1 and 2, we will get 11 by 12x equals to 87.2, and x equals to, just it will be cross multiplied, 87.1 into 12 divided by 11, that is equal to 95.04 meter square. So area of steel actually used was 95.04 meter square. Now let us see question number 10. In figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So let us solve the question. According to it, you can see that the height of the lampshade is 30 meter and the diameter is 20 centimeter. So radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Now it is given that a cloth margin is given 2.5 centimeter to cover the lampshade, 2.5 centimeter above the lamp and 2.5 centimeter below the lamp. So height of the cloth needed for covering the lampshade will be, this actual height of the lampshade is 30 plus the margin 2.5 above, 2.5 below. So total will be equal to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 35 centimeter. Now area of cloth required to cover, what will be the area of cloth required to cover this lampshade? That will be equal to the curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. When you use the formula, you will get it as 2200 centimeter square. Now question number 11. The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard were required to be bought for the competition? So, according to the question, the radius of the pen holder is 3 cm and height is 10.5 cm. You know that pen holder is closed at the base and open at the top. So what will be the surface area of the one pen holder? That will be the curved surface area plus the area of the base, because the area at the top is open. So we will not take this area into consideration. So curved surface area plus area of the base. Now curved surface area is given by the formula 2 pi RH, and area of the base, since it is circular in shape, so area of circle is pi r square. So you just take out pi r common, it becomes 2h plus r. So 22 by 7 into r is 3 into 2 into 10.5 plus 3. When you solve it, you will get it as 22 by 7 into 3 into 24 centimeter square. This is the surface area of one pen holder. We have to find out the surface area of 35 pen holders. So you multiply this number with 35. So 22 by 7 into 3 into 24 into 35. Just cut 7 5s are 35. You will get it as 7920 centimeter square. So cardboard required will be equal to 7920 centimeter square. So students, for this today this much only. Thank you.